Ito ngayon is more on admissibility ignorance. Okay? Bakit ignorance? I'll highlight. Ganito yan ha. Ang hinahanap po ni PhilHealth sa CF4, ang unang hinahanap niya sa Claim Form 4, admissibility. Bakit mo inadmit yung pasyente? Ulitin ko ha. Ang unang hinahanap, ibig sabihin, ibig sabihin, meron pang iba. But the first thing that they will look sa CF4 is the reason for admission. Okay? Kapag hindi nakasulat dyan, bakit inadmit ang pasyente, the chances are, okay, malaki ang potential na your claim will be denied. Now, admissibility ignorance, when your chief complaint is incomplete, it is vague, it is absent, or hilaw, it basically affects the CF4. So, ibig sabihin, either deny nila yan or babasahin nila yung CF4 mo. The fact that your CF4 chief complaint is incomplete, naturally, ang laman ng CF4 mo ay incomplete din. Yung chart mo incomplete din. So, this will open Pandora's box. Okay? Kapag pangit yung chief complaint mo, hindi ginawa ng tama, okay, there's a big probability it will be denied non-compliance to standard of care. Now, ano ba yung admissibility? Okay, that is now the reason if it's clinically necessary na i-admit yung pasyente. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwede outpatient. Classic example, pneumonia. Sino ho dito sa inyo ang makapagbigay ng napakagandang symptoms ng pneumonia na kapag meron kang simptomas na to, hindi ito outpatient case na? Anybody? Can anybody type a patient presentation na kapag meron ka na to, hindi na to outpatient? Okay po. Difficulty of breathing. Yan. So, kuha nyo ha, the RR is 30. Dagdagan na natin, sir. So, that alone will tell you, okay, the way I train my master class, the CF4, the resident should understand na yung admissibility, kapag binasa ni PhilHealth, ang pakiramdam ni PhilHealth will be something like this. Diyos ko Lord, kawawa naman yung pasyente. Kawawa naman. 'Di ba? So, difficulty of breathing alone or dyspneic yung pasyente mo will tell them, my God, this is not for outpatient. You need to bring the patient in. So, yan ho yung mga hinahanap nila. Okay. So, ngayon, hanapin mo yan ulit sa UTI, sa AGE, sa stroke, di ba? Sa acute appendicitis, for whatever patient that you admit. Ano ba yung admissibility? Para hindi kayo pagdudahan. Okay? I'll go back to the slide. So, the chief complaint will help. Kasi ho, yung chief complaint, yan yung unang mabasa nila sa CF4. Kung malinaw yung chief complaint at they can easily feel na kawawa yung pasyente, wala na kayong issue. Okay? Another problem on the admissibility is this: a one-liner history of present illness. 3 days fever, period. Di ba? Not feeling well, admit, period. Di ba? Yan yung mga bagay na ayaw nilang makita. So, admissibility ignorance. Okay? Kapag ganyan ang paggawa, expect ho, okay? Expect, hindi malinaw para sa kanila. Ba't ako magbabayad? Ganun lang ang isinulat. Okay? Now, you give them more information that will prevent people from feeling in doubting. Okay? So, question. Sino ang gumagawa ng chief complaint at ng history of present illness ninyo?